Hi mga damshies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna teach you on how to mince the garlic for easy cooking. So para madali na lang guys, baka na ganyan magdali kagluto. So i-mince na lang ang garlic like this. So just stay put. Ay, dali na lang siya. Dili na pag-iba. So, ato na siya. Diba? And then, and put oil. And here we go, it's done. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, and click the notification bell to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. See you next time. Bye.